Hi, it's Erica here. Today I'll be doing my own hair color. This is a very overgrown look and I have like 4 inches of growth and then my color and a couple of highlights here and there. It's gonna be a major color correction. So I'll be using Blonde Me by Schwarzkopf. The technique that I'm doing is a full partial highlight application, weaving out thin sections for dimension and putting it into foil. Previously foiled the back of my hair already. You can see the demonstration on the upper right corner. So getting started with the sides. Moving on to the next step, it always looks outrageous when you see darker areas. That's completely normal because bleach only reveals what's on the hair and there's areas that needed to be corrected since there was a permanent color. Now I'm going in with the root smudge to help the highlights look seamless at the roots before applying the entire toner all over my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is the final look of my hair of this partial highlight color correction. Have fun doing this. Thank you for watching.